it's around this time of the year during the school half term when I tend to think about sowing my chili peppers and tomato seedlings. But what I'm going to do this morning is show you how to extract seeds from chili pods that you would have hopefully kept back and dried in the previous growing season. So here are some chili seeds that I'm going to be collecting from this variety of medium to large size chilies, a variety called Rocket. Now it is advisable that you use gloves when you're handling chili seed. So these are the chili seeds that we're going to be looking to sow in a bit of compost for this new growing season. I'm just collecting these chili seeds and putting them in these tiny little plastic containers. There we have it, chili seeds harvested from a pod itself. Oh, I missed a few. Although chili peppers is the type of pepper that I'm very fond of growing, there's always a bit of room for sweet peppers, and this year I want to try a variety that I purchased from the supermarket. It's a variety called Palermo. It's a sweet pointed pepper, and what I want to show you is how I'd go about using this pepper. You can see there are pepper seeds inside this sweet pepper, and as this is a sweet pointed pepper that looks like an oversized chili pepper, what I'll show you here are the seeds, and this part is called the pith. Now on a hot chili pepper, the heat that you get from chili peppers actually comes from the seeds themselves and the pith. And if you do grow chili peppers which are far too hot for your taste, then in processing it, I'd just remove the pepper seeds and remove as much of the pith as you want, and that should help and bring the heat down. So like I did with the dried peppers, I'm going to just collect some of these seeds and see if we can use them for germinating. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to collect these seeds. And there we've got a number of pepper seeds which we can dry and get ready for sowing shortly. The vast majority of the seeds have been collected from this sweet pointed pepper, and like I say, this isn't a hot pepper, so I'm not using gloves while I'm doing this. We've got quite a good haul of pepper seeds that we can dry and look to sow in the near future. So in the next segment I'm going to show you how to sow these dry chili peppers, and let's get the growing season off to a great start. Okay, so I've got some compost that's actually shop bought compost, because for the germination stage, when I'm sowing seeds, I use compost that I've purchased. Anything that I've produced myself on the allotment is placed in the ground or in raised beds. Now, once you're happy that you've got your chili pepper seeds reasonably spread out, what you want to do is give them a real light covering, and that just means that you make sure you don't bury the seeds too deep, otherwise you'll find that germination becomes a problem. I'll give that a bit of a mist, and I'm going to put it on a window shelf. One option is to put it directly into a propagator, and I do have a heated propagator. The simplest thing you can do is get a bit of plastic, a plastic bag, and cover it over and mist it from time to time, and you should be looking at getting germination in about fortnight. Really, I think about a fortnight is a reasonable amount of time to give the seeds time to germinate. Once you get germination, I'd wait until the seedlings develop what are called true leaves, and there's a video that I'll show you that I've done previously on how to transplant chili seedlings. Incidentally, this is just a mushroom container that I've used to sow my seeds in, and again at the end of this clip I'll put a link on to show you how to select containers for growing seedlings in.